Let's make an adorable sketched little sign for Valentine's Day. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I have a canvas here, stretch canvas, and all I'm going to do is on the other side, I'm going to turn it over, and I'm just going to use my X-Acto knife, and I'm going to cut on the other side of the staples so that we can remove the canvas. You want to remove all of the excess canvas left. Then this is what we have left, a really pretty frame, and then this piece of canvas. So I'm going to cut it down so that it is the size of the inside. Then I have a piece of chalk, and I'm going to make a circle, and now I'm going to make like a, kind of think of the bottom of a candy corn. Then we're going to make two little notes, and then if you don't like it, this is the joy of using chalk. You could do it over. You could wipe it off and do it over, and that's what I did. So here we go again, bottom of a candy corn, couple of music notes, and then we're going to do a couple lines that go to the inside. It's like a stick person. So next I'm going to use a Sharpie, and I'm just going to outline exactly what we just did, right? We're going to do our bottom of our candy corn, our notes again. Again, though, look, this is just a little stick person. It is super rudimentary, yes, but you know what? I'm going to tell you right now, have your kids draw one, or you draw one, but it is so simple and sweet. Next, I do two little lines, and now all I'm going to do is just round the lines. That's all I'm going to do. This isn't rocket science. It's okay. You can do this. There, it's done. Next, I'm going to take, now you're going to let that dry. And then I'm going to distress my frame. You don't have to distress yours if you don't want to. And then I'm going to stain it. I'm using some Waverly wax to do mine. And there it is. You want to let it dry. Okay, so here's our cute little guy. Now, make sure your cloth isn't damp. Mine was, and it kind of smudged my Sharpie, but it's okay. But you want to wipe off the excess chalk lines. And then we're going to put some glue on the back of that frame, and we're just going to stick it to our canvas. I made sure that it was really adhered. And then we're going to do, this is the part that gives it all of the joy. I have these little picks from Dollar Tree. They have little wooden hearts. And you want to cut them down so that they're as long as, like they're not so long that they overhang the frame. Now I had originally tried to tie them with lace. It was a hot mess express. Like, just take my word for it. So all I'm doing right now, for my own sanity, is to glue the little hearts the way I want them. I want them to look like a bouquet. So that's all I'm doing, is just gluing them together. And stop it. Right there, I'm like, I'm in love. Like, what? So then I wanted it to look like there was a ribbon around it. Like, you know, when you go to the florist or you pick flowers and you do a little ribbon around it. So all I did was put a little glue and wrapped a piece of ribbon around it. And then I made a tiny little bow out of that same ribbon, and I glued it on that. And stop it. Like, come on. Look at how cute this is. Then we're going to put a little glue on the back, and then we're going to glue it on and quit it. Like, how fun. I did add a little messy bow at the end, but you don't have to do that part. But look at how much fun would this be to have one of your children or grandchild or whatever do a little, like, ask them to draw a stick figure, and then you put the little cute bouquet in it. You could even make these little things look like balloons. Would that be adorable too? Oh, I love it. Anyways, friends, I am all for cutesy and abstract, and this hits both of those awesome little check marks. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.